You know me. I can't wait for our date.
Oh, good. I'll be over in an hour. See you then.
Oh, no. I forgot our date. Aha! Perfect. Nah, I always give Minnie flowers. I gotta find her something really special. Really big catalog. A do-it-yourself airplane kit. Oh boy, Minnie's gonna love this. Hello? I'll take one. And make sure you hurry. Huh. Huh? Well, it's about time. Instructions? I don't have time for instructions. Minnie's gonna be here pretty soon. There. That wasn't so bad. And I didn't even have to use all the parts. Okay, Minnie. Surprise!
Wow! An aeroplane!
Yup, and I built it myself.
Oh. Well, I'm sure you followed the instructions this time. Not like that boat you built.
Aw, I was young and foolish. You know, I've learned a lot since then.
Well, then let's take it for a spin.
And nothing's going wrong. Nothing.
Is everything okay?
Oh, yeah, just peachy. Don't worry. From now on, nothing but smooth sailing.
Useless, huh?
Gosh, sorry about the plane.
Oh, Mickey, flowers. You always give me flowers.